But before going to the video, we are having few announcements here. And here we are having few new courses, master course for those who are into beginner and want to start their journey into bug bounty. You guys can definitely take a look at the master course. It's gonna be around 50 days with tons of content in it, so make sure you pause the video, check it out. Now to those who are not into bug bounty but want to level up their skills in a great amount, make sure you go to the elite one, because in this one it's completely hands-on. We have reported almost few bugs every session, so make sure to check this one out and level up your journey in the best possible way. And now for those into Android bug bounty, yeah, this one is for you. Definitely it's a recorded one, you can watch it at your own pace. But and also this one is the recording of a live course, so you are gonna get tons of content. And make sure you also take a look at this particular part. And tip, JS code review. As you guys know how important a source code review would be, this is gonna be having a lot of details into him, lot of labs, lot of resources in it. So make sure you pause the video and take a look at the syllabus. And I guess that was for it. All the links are shared in the description, so make sure to check them out and get your discount. So here we are on our computer screen, and here we are taking a look at another SSTI that can be leveraged into RC. So it is in the LAR SCP, and it's application which is allowing user to create documentation with markdown, and that is having a particular type of SSTI. Basically it is done in the Laravel applications. So versions prior to 2.8.1 are vulnerable, so make sure if you have any target using this version or earlier than that, that can be a juicy information. Now obviously it is not that hard to detect. We also have nuclear templates and all these things for it, also made for them. So we'll definitely share you a link. Also share you how you can create your own for this particular one. So now let's have a look over the report. Here is the report. SSTI vulnerability name, the title. I don't know why I'm typing this 2 times, but yeah, I did that already. Here's the CVE ID, severity, and as you can see, summary LAR SCP, a documentation tool for Laravel, enables markdown based content generation, is vulnerable to SSTI that can be leveraged into RCE. Don't forget that part. Now, as you guys can see, we have to navigate to the specific endpoint like the URL using that thing, then /docs. Just add 1.0 and add a parameter. I am using 7 multiplied by 7, as you can see here. But if you take a look at nuclei templates, they are using PHP info. So you guys can do a thing, replace the PHP info with 7 multiplied by 7 and replace all of them and keep only one with the response of 49. Just modify the template 7 multiplied by 7 and 49 here, and you will get that particular type of CV. So this can be used as automation. Also, if I have a template, I'll share it. I do have a template, of course. I'll share all of them, so you don't have to worry about finding them again. Now it is gonna be as simple as that. Just replace this particular part, and in the particular source code you will find the execution as POC equals to 49. It is as simple as that. Not a big deal for you to find, but yeah, it is really easy to play with. As you guys can see the photo here, here's my POC equals to 7 multiplied by 7 equals to, and here's my execution, as you can see. So this is gonna be interesting one, not very complicated, but you guys can definitely work upon this one. Easy to detect, easy to play with, and really good CV. So make sure you have a look on this particular one. And yeah, if you want to learn more like this CVs and join any of the batches, make sure to take a look at the links. We do all this live, and that is gonna be interesting for all of you. Have a good day. By the way, I might have forgot to mention, here is the post that I already made about this particular thing. So make sure you also have a look on this one. I'll also mention the link in the description. So that was for the video. Thanks for watching. All the links I said I will be available in the description, so make sure to check all of them out, and see you guys in the next video.